I'm on the Medellin Metro right now. This is September 1st. Probably I can't film much, but this is Universidad Antioquia here. And you see this is the Universidad Metro station. And this is one of the theaters, outdoor theaters and all of that. But everything is still kind of like really a lot of biosecurity protocols. So we're here in Medellin. So that's a shopping center there, but it's closed right now at this hour. Some people are waiting down there at a notary public's office. This is Medellin, and that's the botanical garden over there. You can't see much, but it is the botanical garden. Here comes the metro. The metro is coming, and I'm just playing it off to see what's going on here. And this is life. This is the metro station, Parque de Berrio. Now I'm going down the stairs and I'm going to go into public. I just couldn't talk while I was on the metro because people get cranky if they think I'm filming. But I gotta make these videos for you guys. I gotta show people what's going on. This is Tuesday, September 1st. And this is what's going on here. And the police is right over there, so I'm gonna stop doing this right now. And that's some art showing some of the typical stuff here at Parque de Berrio. Some of the new, you can't really see it because of the effect of the glass image. Here maybe we can see it a little better. So check it out. The traditional culture here, the paisas and whatever. Nice mural art. So I'm going towards Parque de Berrio. This is Parque de Berrio station. This is where it's at. That's Parque de Berrio, but it's closed off so people don't congregate. No congregating. That's the Bank of the Republic building right over there. Not the big one, but the one before it right here on the corner. The Bank of the Republic. And as you can see, street vendors all over the place. Whatever you want to buy, in general, here. Watches and everything along this street. A block up from Parque de Berrio. Glasses, insecticide, raticide, whatever side. I had expected to see more people, but fewer. Books, old books in Spanish, maybe even in English, but usually Spanish. And some of these books are bootleg books, bootleg videos. Excuse me. Motorcycles come up in the street here because this is not a pedestrian walkway, it's just a walkway. They're not pedestrians, motorcycles can't come on it. Cheap cologne, not real cologne. So I'm just showing you what you can see here, guys. Whatever you can see here, I'm just showing you, and that's it. And there's the Coltejer building. The Coltejer building here on La Playa. This is Junín, the pedestrian walkway. From here on that way, it's pedestrian, no vehicles allowed on it. Junín and La Playa, traversing it. And this is Tuesday morning. It's Tuesday morning. I'm not using the GoPro, I'm using my regular cell cam because I don't want to attract too much attention right now. Over there they sell a lot of belts over there. You can see right over there. The GoPro doesn't have a zoom, so yeah. Ice baby, vanilla. So we're here in downtown. That's Coltejer building with the Colombian flag flying high. And we're right here by the old municipal building. You can see it here. And all the restaurants are now functioning at 35% capacity. They're open for service. So this is what's going on here. We're by the museum, Plaza Botero. They cornered off that so that nobody can get in. This is downtown Medellin. And this is a very touristy area, but right now, no tourism on the international level. September 1st. Today is September 1st. So, just showing you guys what I can today, a month after I did the first one about downtown here. And right around the corner to the left, there's a vegetarian restaurant called Govinda's. So that's Parque Plaza Botero. And that's the Museo de Antioquia. Museo de Antioquia. Here's one of the sculptures, the horse from Fernando Botero. Caballo con bridas, 1992, bronze. And vegetarian restaurant is right up the corner. I'm gonna stop filming because I just should stop for now. But if you are a vegetarian, the restaurant is right over here on the third floor up there. And that's the Veracruz Church. And that's one of the gordas, Botero gordas. So now I'm on a bus. I'm on a bus here, leaving downtown Medellin, going towards my grandmother's. Have some lunch, have a class, and go back to where I gotta go back to. This is riding on a bus in Medellin, and maybe the windows are not that clear, so you can't really see that well. Bus fare here, even in the city, is 2,300 pesos. And you can see a little bit outside right there as we go by downtown area here towards the Atanasio Girardot Stadium. This is Colombia Street, Calle Colombia. The famous Calle Colombia Street here in Medellin, downtown all the way up towards Robledo. We are on the Robledo bus. Now I'm not using my GoPro, so remember that. That's why this one has a little jerky movement to it, a jerky motion. Oh wow, it's a very warm day here. I'm already sweating some bullets. But it's all good. I prefer this over the cold weather that I live in terms of running in the mountains. And you have seen some of the videos about where I live.